And a couple of questions from some of the Instagram followers. We had Zach who was asking about Nike through 97,
Oh
which
shit,
is
Nike's already at 97. That's crazy. No, I mean there's no pattern. We were loading the boat on this Nike here on this retest of 90. I remember that was really the last spot to buy it. If you see this this resistance area, and then it based out and turned to support. So that's the last time we were buying Nike. That was really the last buy in it. Now it just needs a lot of time, or you need to buy it, at support versus something. This thing is, it needs digestion. It needs sideways for another move.
yeah.
Right name, but no setup yet.
Yeah, we talk about this a lot, but look, it's the retest where for this 97 level, the first one ran up. It's kind of when the new traders chase it, and then that retest is kind of when the people that have been trapped are trying to get out, and then we looked for that third or fourth or fifth attempt down the road, where this is just gonna, like you said, it's gonna need some time. You're better off buying this, up versus 92 than trying to buy 97 and be perfect with it.
Exactly.
Let's see. Joseph Park had a question on what's a good trailing method for holding a winner.
It depends. It's not as black and white. So it's like